No, I used it, huh?
What? What, Katie?
Present.
Okay, go. Go for it.
Well, you don't want to wake your brother because he wants to watch it too?
Only one cookie is here.
Tell him, does he want to watch you unwrap them? Your brother.
Tell your brother Santa came for you. Hurry. Knock. Knock on the door.
Yeah, tell him.
Tell him.
Tell him, kid, hurry. Tell him Santa came.
Santa came.
Do you want to watch her open them?
Go, Katie. God, I'm waiting for go. Go. Go.
Isn't that what you asked him for? Get the blanket, Mayhel. Isn't that what you asked him for?
It's supposed to be on the tree, and I'm going to put it on the tree.
This stuffy Honda.
How bad you
Yeah.
know that present?
You just woke up right now?
That's not from Dad.
You just woke up?
That's his Santa Claus. Look, he left it by his cookies. Uh-huh.
No?
Yeah.
Look. There's only one cookie.
Get your present. Go ahead. Go open it. Did you see what you got?
You want to open your presents? Because I'll open them.
Frankie's going to open them if you don't open it.
I don't have no presents for Santa. So I'll open all yours.
Wow, what's that? Is that what you wanted?
He brought it.
You brought it?
Welcome to your personal cash register. It scans, it talks, it's a calculator. Scan real barcodes, use a calculator, and make announcements with a microphone. Get credit.
Okay, we have to open it. We have to open it. Okay, go see the next. Open the bag.
Play store with your friends.
What's that? Oh, he brought us a game.
So we can all play together.
Yeah.
So I can wear.
So you can wear while you're cooking. Look at a baker sip, a Betty Crocker. And look at oven mitts. So then when we pull the stuff out of the oven, your fingers don't get burned, huh?
And I can help you with that.
You can help me with what? Baking?
And I can help you taking the stuff out of the oven with mittens.
What's this?
It's the game.
It's a game. Look, we're going to play how we're going to make Daddy play with this one.
All three of us. We forgot Frankie.
That's 4 if you add Frankie.
And
Oh, Frankie loves shoots and ladders.
Come again. Goodbye.
Okay, open the bag, Katie. Open the bag.
Which bag?
The green bag. What's in the green bag?
It has there's a couple of these clothes.
Well, open it. Let's see. What did he bring you? What did he have the elves make you? Wow, look it. Look at how cozy.
Is that frog night?
Yes. Brother like that. Look, Katie, here's her arm. Her arm.
What's it? Star pajamas?
Cute, they're pink.
How did the elf make you this?
They sewed it.
And they put doors on it?
And they put look at they put Santa doors on it. Look at how cute your froggies roll, pig.
But my hands. But. Is. Hey!
What? Turn around.
A pink ribbon on there.
Yeah. You had to open yours.
And you open yours.
Caitlin.
Me and Mom.
No, Mom, nothing.
Help me open
All
it.
you, babe.
Help me open it.
All I did was
Help
give
me
you the
open
bag.
it. Help me. Pull it. You brought me a picture. It looks like Frankie's picture.
Yeah, that's cute. Look how cute. We should picture him.
You're right, Katie.
And look at brother's shirt. Dad, look at brother's shirt.
See, what a good daughter. That's good parenting. I tell you. All right. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. We went to the shopping at
Tell him and you
Walmart.
paid for it.
I paid for it. First, she did
Go get
Mom's stuff.
Yeah, first I did my shopping. Get the one with the little Santa Claus. Give that to your brother.
It says you want it.
And there's something in your stocking, Frankie.
Does say me on it, huh?
Katie, the penguin one's yours, and the box beneath it's yours.
I'm gonna open it like this. Can you help me, Mom? I can't open this.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
A school bus.
Wow.
Ah!
There's a finger here, Kate. Yeah, that's Mom. She put it away for you.
You're hanging on the tree. Right? All my kids got ornaments this year.
Look
Okay.
what I got.
Oh, so cute to go with your little village, huh? Now go open the other box.
Open that one.
This one. Hey, it has a reindeer on
It does have a reindeer. Katie, what? Did you see that the elves got you slippers? Those are very Christmassy looking slippers.
Look, Mom. I have the reindeer.
That's for Mommy and Daddy too, okay? The school bus, and that's for Mommy and Dad.
Thanks.
Let me help you? Pull it hard. Just rip it. It's okay.
Rip the box. Pull it up hard. Pull it hard. It's okay.
It's
Go.
okay.
It's okay. You can get the stuff out now.
Hello? Again?
Come on, you're little. You don't want clothes, Mom.
Katie, you want clothes, huh?
Again?
'Cause you need clothes, huh? Let's see.
Go back.
Top. And some pants. And a top. And some leggings. You don't have pink leggings. Okay. Alright.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Now which one is it?
That one right there.
The red, that big box right there?
That one.
It says Caitlin.
No.
That one right there.
That one. The one that doesn't have a name on it.
The box.
Right in front of you. The
Right
big box.
there.
That one. That one.
Who's that from? Ah, it's not for me.
or?
You're joking.
He's not joking, that's from him.
Look,
What is it?
a house.
Another house to add to your village?
It's a mansion.
Uh-huh. Wow, look at Katie, and it has a family.
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
Now brother can play with you. It's cute.
Can I have a hug? It's okay. I like that you want to.
Katie, we have some more? No, the stocking.
Check your stocking, Katie.
Jack Frost came.
Check it.
Mine, check it. I gave you the right one, right? Your seed.
No, put your hand in it, babe.
Ta-da! Wally? Where's Wally? Movie in there.
Wally. Wow.
Now the next one. There's only one thing in there.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Steve.
You're
Welcome.
welcome.
Now,
What'd you get?
Is there any more things in there?
Wally.
Sister can't get it.
She got Wally.
There's something else in there?
No.
No. Here, let's see. If I find something, I can keep it.
I don't think so.
Okay. Ah! Ah! There's nothing in there.
Open more?
Open.
The red and white one. Oh, give that little blue card to Frankie. That's Frankie's blue card over there. On the floor. By the red present. See the blue card? The little green bow?
Why did you put it right there? You already told me what it was. You opened it for me.
I didn't open it for you.
Yeah, you did. Dropped $100.
No, I told you I'm gonna give you $50 for it.
Yeah, but you told me it was $100.
No, you said you're gonna give me $50 for something that's worth more.
Yeah, I know you're all, it's $100. You lied to me for it. You opened it yesterday.
Maybe it's.
No, it's not.
See? You didn't open it.
Huh?
Open from the side, babe.
Does Steve have anything in his stocking or Mom?
No.
Open from the side.
You got coal in his stocking?
No.
You don't even know, dude. Don't even go there.
What did Steve get for Christmas?
Nothing.
Nothing. He was gonna buy himself.
I'm buying myself something tomorrow.
PS3?
I'm not saying.
We'll find out when we
Either
start
that or
with it.
Blu-ray. Those are the ones that you like.
I'm not buying a Blu-ray.
And then you buy a PS3.
Raul